U-Andile Mpisane umntana kaMamkhize ushaye u-Inomorolong black, blue and pabheka la allegedly. Sanibonani Ntumelang, I hope ukuthi ni-right, I hope ukuthi niphilile. Ezanamhlanje zithi on Monday ngiyi-6 zika-April, u-Inomorolong decided ukuthi you know what ne, I am going through a lot. I just need my girlfriends to be here. Siphume nje sishawe umoya. Hayi ugelo wafunela abangane bakhe ukuthi bontombo asiphumeni man angikho right. U-Inomorolong recently uye washonelwa uma wakhe wayilwisana ne-cancer, unfortunately wagcina sekashonile. Hayi okay shapo abangane bakhe bafike vele bazohlangana laphayana eSandton in one of the nightclubs in Sandton. Bayahlangana kanjalo bonisa moral support, babe there for their friend which is u-Inomorolong. So amongst the friends, kube nale ntombazane kuthiwa hayi u-Andile makayibuka kanje wavele wachameka u-Andile. U-Andile bathi hayi ke sekazo approach intombazane ukuthi hey mama siyazi mina ngichazekile. Bathi u-Inomorolong asukume athi bhutiza yazi namhlanje nje angifuni idrama, angifuni madoda, angifuni anyone close to us. I just need us nje as abangani. Kugabi namadoda nje within our space angikho right. Bathi hayi u-Andile athi mina ngingenaphi ukuthi wena ukho right, ngingenaphi mina ngisifunela nje nangumamasi la uvedane wangichaza so ngicela ukuthi uphume endleleni yami ngibone ukuthi ngiceda kanjani nomngani wakho angifuni wena. Hayi ke kuthiwa nje from there bangasathukanisi kuthiwa into ebelaphayana bayathukanisa u-Andile bathi ugcine manje sekathuka u-Inomorolong ngoma wakhe oceda ukushona. Bathi u-Inomorolong wathi angeke ngoma wami, bathi u-Ino naye nangu sekayenzani sekathuka u-Andile Mpisane ngoma wakhe uMamkhize. Bathi u-Andile wavetani wahlanya umfana, bathi wathatha u-Inomorolong bathi wamshaya wamgodula phansi. Bathi wamenzani, bathi bese kuchacheke lana amabele bathi into ebeyilaphayana, bathi umntana abantu bekaphuma negazi la emlonyweni because of akusikudala bekayekwenza ama-dental ntontoni, bathi into ebeyilaphayana, bathi amgodula ambamba ngeinwele. Hey, then from there bathi kuzofika ama-security nangisayagijima laphayana kanti ba-late sekumoshakele kuda lo kwamoshakala. Hayi ama-security bayazama ukuthi babahlukanise bathathe u-Andile ukuthi hayibo mfethu angeke uzofuna ukushaya umuntu wesimame kanje hayibo. Hayi ke abangane baka-Ino bathathe u-Ino bamhambise kuphi endlini. Bathi ngalesikhathi u-Ino ahamba bathi bekanjani ngapha uphuma igazi, bathi ngapha uyasheka umunye umntana, ngapha uyakhala, bathi bekukuningi, bathi into ebelaphayana. Hayi okay sharp kena so khona manje simile u-Inomorolong akakakhulumi lutho, u-Andile Mpisane akakakhulumi lutho. Indaba nje sithola nje kuma sources, ama-reliable sources, people who were there because yonke into yayiyenzakala in front of club goers bebabhekile laphayana. Kusho ukuthi laphayana isinema iye yafika laphayana eklabini babukile isinema yama-celebrity. It was a reality TV show live kulela nightclub leliyana. Hey into ebelaphayana mabasho bathi hayi bekumoshakele kakhulu. Kodwa-ke i-close source ithi yona i-close source to u-Inomorolong bathi u-Inomorolong uyahamba uyovula icala laphayana eSandton. So simile sizobona ukuthi okay fine kuzoyenzakalani. Kodwa-ke u-Andile mfowethu hayibo man umuntu wesimame akashawa kanjalo. Hawu sometimes nje bekumele ukuthi nje just walk away Andile. Angithi nawe umthuki ngoma wakhe oceda ukushona. So manje wena makakuthuka back so ufuna ukumshaya kahle umshayile mabasho allegedly. Yeah ne guys, for those of you who are new on the channel, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up. Guys, like the video, please like the video and go into the comment section and tell me what you think about this whole thing. Ukuthi Andile kodwa, or maybe hayi u-Inomorolong nawe bongenaphi, because omunye angasho ukuthi Come on, doesn't mean just because of sihamba nawe manje akumelanga ukuthi amadoda asibheke. You understand it? Omunye angayibeka ngaleyo ndlela leyo. So angazi ukuthi nina guys nicabangani. Nicabanga ukuthi hayi ke bobabili vele beba wrong. Wena uthatha eliphi side? Ino side or Andile side? Guys mina ngiyanithanda. Ngiyabuya futhi nezinye indaba please man.